guys, to your daily weather report. Today we actually have a slight risk. It updated what I showed you from yesterday. It didn't have a slight risk. It has a slight risk today. Our first slight risk is here in New York, Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, and all of these other towns. I don't want to mess up them and look bad. And then we also have another slight risk here going through Minnesota, right by Minneapolis, Iowa, and Missouri here. It's going to include Des Moines and all these other cities here. Mason City, Storm Lake, Autumn, Fort Dodge, Iowa Falls. And then we have a third slate race today. It's going to be for northern Wisconsin here. Wausau, Town Hawk, Iron River. And then going to the UP of Michigan here with Marquette, Hugoton, Iron River, and all these other cities here. We do have a 2% tornado risk showing today. It's going to be the Des Moines area and very southern parts of, Minnesota. But yes, it's going to be the 2% tornado risk. We also have a 15% wind risk. It's a pretty widespread wind risk here today. Oh, that's the wind risk today. It's gonna be in the same area where the slight risk is here. Slight risk is here. Pretty sure. Yeah, the slight risk is. We do have a hail risk today. It's gonna be for the same where the tornado risk is, the wind risk is, and for the hail risk today. So you got Des Moines or most of Iowa. You're gonna get a lot today, maybe. That's only what the outlook's saying. But what I said, we do have a wind risk over here in New York, Washington, Philadelphia, here, and also another risk over here, Phoenix, Arizona, Tucson. Oh my gosh. And then we also have a wind risk here in Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico. So keep an eye out for that today. At the time of recording this, I woke up not too long ago. We already have a meso discussion here at about the same area, or parts of the same area. It's going to update with the 10% watch probability, up to 60 mile per hour winds, 1 inch to, I don't know, let's say 1 and 7 hail. And then we already have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. One that is already warned for 50 mile per hour winds and about an inch size hail. I'm moving a lot because I got it in position. Then there's another severe thunderstorm warning up here that is warned for 1 inch hail and 50 mile per hour winds. That makes sense. These storms are going to go into Wisconsin. These storms right here, keep a lookout here and up here for them to move. Even if you guys are here in Milwaukee or any of these areas, I still think you're still in a marginal area. I'm pretty sure, right? It's marginal area. Yeah, marginal and general area. Just keep looking out here just in case anything could happen. Yes, that's the time. That's where we have a meso discussion right now, and then we also have a report of a waterspout tornado directly south of my location, roughly 7 miles offshore. So that's probably where this special marine warning is of the waterspout possible. It's not loading. I'll tell you if it loads. Hello, Florida. Why is it loading? Lots of widespread storms again. Let's see if it's going to pop up now. Yes, there it is. I go on radar. Dakota. I don't know. Did it have a wide spot? Let's see. Yeah, maybe. And more widespread storms here. We also have some flash flood warnings near Pittsburgh. This is this is a reasonable warning. I would say, with all this rain that came through. Pittsburgh, you do got still a little bit storm here. Going away from you guys, I don't see much more happening in New York. You guys are in your, whoa, slight risk today with these storms over here that are, I think, coming to your, you think, still be watching for those storms. Got also a mezzo discussion for 40-mile-per-hour winds and some hail. And then some more storms up here that I think this is why they're getting a slight risk, because they're heading right towards Marquette in northern Wisconsin. Oh my gosh. I was moving when I made that line here. We also have a report of 1 inch hail about 9:25 a.m. CDT. It doesn't look like there's anything there now. They did have some storms there earlier, if you could see. I'm kind of satisfied to do this. Ready? Satisfying, but yes, that is what the report was. 1 inch hail. We have more reports of 1 inch hail up here that weren't severe one. But that's all we have right now. We only have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings going on right now. About 3 flood warnings, a couple mezzo discussions, and a special marine warning of a water spout report. This is your daily weather today. Remember, for our outlook today, we have a 2% tornado risk. We have a 15% wind risk and a 50% hail risk today. Saturday, it's going to have another marginal risk about some areas, marginal, and might update by the time I make the video tomorrow. We also have a 2% tornado risk tomorrow, a wind risk tomorrow, and a hail risk. Sunday, it's going to be about the same areas once again for the marginal risk. It's just going to get to Wisconsin and Illinois, which still has a 5% probabilistic risk. But that's what we are showing so far. Let me take a screenshot of this because, well, I will have to take a screenshot for my intro and stuff like that. But yeah, this is your weather report today. If you want to see satellite right now, it's gotta load. Come on, load. You can tell that there's definitely storms up here by how many clouds and stuff are. You can see that. You can tell that that's a storm. Just in general, you could tell that those clouds are storms because they're different and all, and you know. And then, yeah, if you want to see the model, it's oh, I gotta sneeze, guys. Nope, it's going away. Oh well. Oh, and it's watery now. But if you want to see this app, it's called Weatherfront. If you want to see Weatherfront, if you want to go to Weatherfront, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search Weatherfront. Weatherfront, there it is. And it pops up Weatherfront, or it's early access because I'm on Samsung. But yes, make sure to do that if you want to see it. Without watching my videos, it's okay to watch my videos. But we do have our forecast discussion. National Weather Service does the same thing. It's from National Weather Service. So yes, thank you for watching, guys, and peace.